Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and password because the restore pulls directly from that account. Make sure you are on stable Wi-Fi and connected to power. Large backups can stall on cellular. On the iPhone, go to Settings, General, and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. You want to erase and start fresh so the iCloud restore appears. Once done, the device will reboot into setup. Proceed to the next step to select your backup and authenticate. You sign into iCloud during the setup screens. This tells Apple which backups you can access. Next, select the backup that matches your last known good date and device. Size and time help you pick accurately. The iPhone downloads the core system and iCloud data first, then apps and media afterward. This is why the home screen appears before everything is finished. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi until the progress bar reaches 100% to avoid interruptions. You complete the process by signing into apps and reauthorizing Apple Pay or any two-factor prompts. Those restore items require fresh authentication. Keep the phone plugged in and on Wi-Fi while apps and photos finish downloading. This can take hours for large libraries. If the restore fails, reboot and try again. Also verify your iCloud storage and available space. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or try restoring the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.